So I got the piston out. I got the cylinder out. Piston had a little bit of damage from the power valve. The cylinder looks fine, but the power valve had a issue where one of the screws had backed out from the rockers, and it was obviously hitting the piston. I was able to rectify that issue, put the screw back in, a little bit of Loctite. Hopefully it'll hold this time. I'm about to insert the new piston. Here's my old needle bearings from the connecting rod. I got nice fresh new ones. Got a new pin. Of course, a new piston. Slightly larger. This is apparently a 53.93, and what I have is a 53.96. So it's slightly larger, but it is for standard bore, so it should work. I'm hoping that'll help with some of the wear that's already on the cylinder. So yeah, I'm just going to start putting gaskets on and putting everything back together, and we'll see how it goes from there. I'll just show you my connecting rod. My bottom end had very little play. It's pretty solid. I have rags shoved down in there so I can't drop anything into it. But I hope to have it back together in the next half hour or so, and then we'll do the carb rebuild and see if she'll fire up.